Good morning. We are about to start. Can we all get seated? Thank you very much. Good morning, Excellencies, colleagues, partners, and friends. Welcome to Palais Wilson, a place where history still breathes. These walls witness the world's earliest attempt to imagine peace through cooperation, the moment when humanity dared to believe that collective responsibility could shape a better future. Today, as the home of UN Human Rights Office, this building continues to stand as a promise that dignity, justice, and equality are not abstract ideals, but rather the rights that must be protected, renewed, and reimagined with every generation. It is therefore profoundly meaningful that we gather here in the inaugural RightsX Summit. By meeting in this space, we connect the courage of the past with the possibility of the future. From the experiments in the global governance 105 years ago to those moments in 2025, when the very foundation of human rights are being rewritten by the digital age. My name is Cynthia Lesufi, the Minister Counsellor for Communication at the South African Permanent Mission to the United Nations and the ITU Council Working Group, WSIS and SDG Chairperson. And like many of you in this room, my work and my heart are guided by a commitment to equality, access, and meaningful connectivity. We are living in a time of extraordinary transformation, a time when technology brings us closer than ever before, while at the same time exposing deep fractures of power, of protection, of participation. A time when one innovation can open doors for millions or close them just as quickly. But we are not powerless observers of this change. We are its architects. Each one of us carries a piece of the responsibility and the possibility to ensure that digital age becomes an era that expands rights rather than restricts them, that strengthens commitments rather than divides them, and that places people, not profit, at the center. This is the spirit of RightsX. And today, the timing is more than symbolic. Today, it's Human Rights Day. That matters deeply. Today, we meet at a moment when human rights system is under immense pressure and when digital technologies are reshaping societies faster than our existing frameworks can respond. RightsX was created because something needs to change. We need to move from reflection to action, to identify practical steps, real mechanisms, and new alliances that can strengthen protection in the digital age. That is why you are here, because the work of safeguarding human rights cannot wait for the next crisis or even the next innovation. It must begin now, with the courage to rethink what protection means in the world transformed by technology. This morning, we set the stage. This afternoon and tomorrow, we will move into solution roundtables, working together to design contours of future human rights toolbox, one bold enough for the challenges ahead,